Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you want to improve your English through emotional, mysterious and interesting stories, then you are in the perfect place. Today's story is very emotional. It is about a girl who hid a dark secret for many years. A secret that completely changed her life. So relax, improve your English, and enjoy today's story. Let's begin. My name is Olivia, and for many years, I lived with a secret that nobody knew. Every morning, I smiled in front of people. I talked normally. I laughed normally. And I acted like everything in my life was perfect. But deep inside, I was broken. Completely broken. Sometimes secrets become so heavy that they slowly destroy your heart. And mine almost did. I lived in a small town with my mother. Our life was simple. We were not rich, but my mother always tried her best to make me happy. She worked in a clothing shop every day while I studied at college. People often called me beautiful, but nobody knew how lonely I felt inside. I had very few friends because I never trusted people easily. Maybe because my childhood was difficult. My father left us when I was very young. After that, I stopped believing in love. I believed people always leave. And because of that, I never allowed anyone to come close to my heart. Until I met Ethan. I still remember the first day I saw him. It was raining heavily outside the college library. Students were running everywhere trying to avoid the rain. But Ethan stood calmly near the entrance while holding an umbrella. His dark hair was slightly wet, and his soft smile immediately caught my attention. For some strange reason, I couldn't stop looking at him. Then suddenly, he walked toward me. "You can share my umbrella if you want," he said politely. I looked at him nervously. Normally, I rejected strangers immediately, but something about him felt different. "Thank you," I replied softly. That short walk changed everything. After that day, we started meeting often. Sometimes in the library, sometimes near the coffee shop, and sometimes after classes ended. Ethan was kind, funny, caring, and patient. For the first time in my life, I felt safe with someone. Weeks slowly turned into months, and little by little, I fell in love with him. Real love. The kind of love that makes your heart beat faster when someone smiles at you. One evening, Ethan took me to a quiet park outside the city. The sunset looked beautiful. Orange light covered the trees, and the cool wind moved softly around us. We sat together silently for a few minutes. Then Ethan suddenly held my hand. "Olivia," he whispered. "Yes, I think you changed my life." My cheeks became warm. "What do you mean?" "Before meeting you," he said quietly, "I felt empty." I looked down shyly. "And now?" "Now I feel complete." Tears almost appeared in my eyes after hearing those words. Nobody had ever loved me like that before. That evening became one of the happiest moments of my life. But happiness doesn't always stay forever. A few months later, everything changed. One morning, I woke up feeling strange. Weak, dizzy. At first, I ignored it. But after several days, the feeling became worse. Finally, one of my friends looked at me seriously and said, "Olivia, maybe you should visit a doctor." I laughed nervously. "I'm probably just tired." But deep inside, I already felt scared. Very scared. That same afternoon, I went to a clinic alone. The waiting room felt cold and silent. My hands shook while waiting for the doctor. After some tests, the doctor looked at me carefully. "Olivia," she said softly, "you're pregnant." For a moment, the entire world stopped. I couldn't breathe. I couldn't think. I just stared at her silently. Pregnant? How? My heart started racing wildly. Fear filled my chest immediately. I was too young. My mother would be heartbroken. People would judge me. My future would disappear. Tears slowly filled my eyes. The doctor handed me tissues gently, but I couldn't stop crying. That day, my life changed forever. I walked home slowly in complete silence. Cars moved around me. People talked around me, but everything sounded far away, like I was trapped inside another world. I reached home and locked myself inside my room immediately. That night, I cried for hours. One felt terrified, alone, and completely lost. The next day, Ethan noticed something was wrong immediately. "You look pale," he said worriedly. "I'm fine." "You're lying." I stayed quiet. Ethan gently touched my hand. "Please tell me." My eyes filled with tears again. "I can't." "Yes, you can." For several seconds, I couldn't speak. Then finally, "I'm pregnant." Silence. Complete silence. Ethan froze. His face lost color instantly. I looked down, terrified to see his reaction. For a moment, I thought he would leave me, just like my father left my mother. But then suddenly, Ethan hugged me tightly. "It's okay," he whispered softly. I started crying against his chest. "I'm scared. I know. My life is ruined." "No," he said firmly. "Your life is not ruined, but everyone will judge me." "Then let them judge," he replied angrily. "I'm not leaving you." His words broke something inside me, because deep down, that was my biggest fear, being abandoned. But Ethan stayed. Days passed slowly. Keeping the secret became harder every day. I wore loose clothes, avoided people, and stopped meeting friends. Even my mother noticed my strange behavior. "Olivia," she said one evening, "what's happening to you?" "Nothing. You barely eat." "I'm just stressed." She looked unconvinced. And honestly, I hated lying to her, but I was too afraid to tell the truth. Weeks later, my secret became impossible to hide. One evening, my mother entered my room suddenly while I was crying. "Olivia?" I quickly wiped my tears away. But then her eyes slowly moved toward my stomach, and everything changed. She looked shocked, confused, heartbroken. For several seconds, neither of us spoke. Then finally, "Are you pregnant?" Her voice sounded weak. My eyes filled with tears immediately. "Yes." My mother stepped backward slowly. I could see disappointment in her eyes, and that hurt me more than anything. "Why didn't you tell me?" she whispered. I was scared. "Scared of me?" "I didn't want you to hate me." Tears appeared in my mother's eyes too. "Oh, Olivia," she whispered sadly. That night was one of the hardest nights of my life. I thought my mother would never forgive me. But the next morning, she quietly entered my room and sat beside me. Then she gently held my hand. "You made a mistake," she said softly. "But you are still my daughter." I immediately started crying again. "I'm sorry." "I know." She hugged me tightly. And for the first time in weeks, I finally felt peace. Months slowly passed. Life became difficult. People started talking about me. Some neighbors judged me. Some girls stopped talking to me completely. Even strangers looked at me differently. Every day became emotionally exhausting. Sometimes I cried alone at night. Sometimes I blamed myself for everything. But Ethan never left. Not even once. He attended every doctor appointment with me. He bought food for me. He called me every morning. And every time I felt hopeless, he reminded me I wasn't alone. One evening, we sat together near the lake outside town. The sunset reflected beautifully on the water. Ethan looked at me quietly for a moment before speaking. "Do you regret meeting me?" His question surprised me. I stayed silent for a few seconds. Then I shook my head slowly. "No, even after everything." "Yes, why?" I smiled weakly. "Because you stayed." Ethan looked emotional after hearing that. Then he gently touched my stomach and smiled. "And I'll always stay." Tears filled my eyes instantly. At that moment, I realized something important. Maybe my secret wasn't only darkness. Maybe it was also the beginning of a new life. A new future. A new version of me. Several months later, I gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. The moment I held her for the first time, everything changed inside my heart. She looked so small, so innocent, and suddenly, all my fear disappeared. Tears rolled down my cheeks while she held my finger softly. Ethan stood beside me, smiling emotionally. "She's beautiful," he whispered. I nodded slowly. "Yes, she is." At that moment, I understood something deeply. Life is not perfect. People make mistakes. People suffer. People hide secrets. But sometimes, the things we fear the most become the things that change us forever. And my dark secret changed my life completely, not by destroying it, but by teaching me how strong love can truly be. Thank you so much for listening to today's story. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new English words and expressions. If you enjoyed this emotional English story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends. See you in the next story.